All right, here we go. 2 holes, 90 seconds, 193. We'll start with the par 3. Nice shot. All right, pulling up. See what we got here. Boom. Parsky. Second hole we'll do is the 4th hole, 454 to the pin. Bunkers on the left and right side, and he's got driver. Looks good. Getting ready to hit a second shot. Ball's here. Pin's right there. He's checking yardage. What do you got, Zay? 150. 150 to the pin. I didn't see it land. Oh, there it is. Nice. Let's see if you can finish it with a bird. We've been going par a lot. You got to handle business right here.
I mean, is that a bad thing?
No, that's not a bad thing. I wish I could go par. Boom! There you go. 2 holes, 90 seconds, par, and bird. Bam.